Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save and prevent some data consumption on your Windows 10 internet connection by using a metered connection. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best match should say Settings right above Trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to left click on that option one time. And now you want to left click on the network and internet tile. So again, left click on that. And underneath your network status, you want to left click on change connection properties. Underneath where it says metered connection, if you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection a metered network. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. Where it says set as metered connection, toggle this to the on position by clicking inside the oval one time. Once it's set to the on position, you can close out of this window, and that's pretty much it. I would recommend you guys restart your computer just to make sure the change takes effect. And like I said, that's about it for this tutorial, guys. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.